Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our learning channel, Peek and Discover. I hope you are ready for another exciting video. Today, we are going to learn about shapes and colors. We will discuss different shapes and identify beautiful colors all around us. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Then let's get started. This is square. This is circle. This is trapezium. This is triangle. This is rectangle. This is oval. Now we are going to draw these shapes. First of all, square. Then circle. Trapezium. Triangle. Rectangle. Oval. Now we are going to color them. First of all, square. Color of square is green. It has 4 equal sides. Then circle. Color of circle is purple. Trapezium. Color of trapezium is orange. It has 4 sides. Then triangle. Color of triangle is pink. It has 3 sides. Then rectangle. Color of rectangle is blue. It also has 4 sides. Last one is oval. Color of oval is light green. This is square, green square. This is circle, purple circle. This is trapezium, orange trapezium. This is triangle, pink triangle. This is rectangle, blue rectangle. This is oval, green oval. I hope you enjoyed learning about shapes and colors. Keep practicing and try to find these shapes and colors around your home, school, or playground. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Peek and Discover. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.